All right, guys, this is 5.1, Senior Consumer Math, Savings Deposits. So, what is a deposit? Well, that's any money you put in the bank. Now, you could also put this into a savings, maybe use it on a loan, credit, direct deposit, electronic transfer, are some of the ways you can do that. But essentially, it's just money you put into the bank. Now, a deposit is any currency, so any dollar bills you have, plus any coins, plus any checks, minus any cash you receive back. All right, so let's look at our first example. Robert wants to deposit the following into his savings account. 28 $1 bills, so that's 28 times 1. 8 $5 bills, so that's 8 times 5. 24 quarters, so 24 times 0.25, because that's what a quarter is, plus 35 dimes, plus 90 pennies. So key thing to look out for here is that this is what a quarter is equal to. This is what a dime is equal to. And this is what a penny is equal to. Now they also said he has checks for $29.34 and $124.19. So those are all of the money he's putting in. And then we're going to subtract by 50, because that's the money he's receiving back. So this is just put into our calculator. So 28 times 1 plus 8 times 5 plus 24 times 0.25 plus 35 times 0.1 plus 90 times 0.01 plus 29.34 plus 124.19. And then we're going to minus 50. So that's going to give us a total of $181.93. So when we see that less cash, it means the money they're taking out. Now this little ledger is kind of your decimal sign, but I've always just put a decimal sign there personally, just so I don't forget what that little ledger line means. So there we go. So our answer is 181.93. So key thing here is just knowing what a quarter, dime, penny equals and being able to put it all correctly into your calculator. We won't really use these saving deposit slips. They're kind of out of fashion. A lot of banks don't use them anymore. So what they really do is just kind of an electronic little slip that tells you how much you deposited. All right. But if we really wanted to, we could also say check number 1 and number 2. Normally they'd have dollar amounts on them. Not dollar amounts, sorry, check numbers. But we're not too worried about that here. Okay, so there's check 1, check 2. And in cash, he had the 28 $1 bills, the 8 $5 bills, the 24 quarters, the 35 dimes, and the 90 pennies. So 78.40. So That's it. Let's look at another one just to make sure we do it. We won't actually fill out the savings deposit this time. We'll just do the math and find out how much are they going to get back. So they have a check for $63.21, a check for $39.79, a check for $15.50. They also have 24 $1 bills, 11 $10 bills, 20 quarters, 22 dimes, 40 pennies, and they're getting back $20 in cash. So if you want to put a parenthesis there to remind yourself you're adding all those, you can do that. So now we just type it into our calculator: 63.21, 37.79, 15.50, 24 $1 bills, 11 $10 bills, 20 quarters, 22 dimes, 40 pennies, minus the $20 they're taking back. So this is going to be $236.10. All right, so that is depositing. Hopefully this video deposited some knowledge to you, and hopefully you can withdraw it next time. Make sure you're getting that homework done so you can keep practicing this and do better. See you next time.